Hi guys, so today we are going to be learning about how to make natural dyes. So today we have 3 different dyes that we're going to be working with, all of which can either be found in your grocery store or just outside in your yard. Now it's time for you guys to go ahead and give this a try at home. You can use the same ingredients that I did, or you can experiment with something else in your backyard. Wildflowers, leaves, something else in your kitchen, berries, vegetables. There are so many things that work. Just have fun with it.